I wanted to share with you my experience with swapping out the caster legs that came with the IKEA Alex cabinet for basically legs that I got off of Amazon, and kind of show you exactly why I did it and also things that you should consider before doing it. Hey guys, if you guys don't know, my name is Seng, and on this channel I just talk about basically DIY projects that I do around the house, including things for my craft space as well as my home. And today what I want to share with you guys is the legs that I actually switched out. So the reason why I actually wanted to kind of swap out the caster legs for the Amazon IKEA legs that I got for dirt cheap on Amazon is that I wanted a stable space for my craft machines. Now, for those of you guys that don't know, I love Cricut machines and silhouette machines, and these machines, they basically cut vinyl, paper, and craft chipboard. And so what I wanted to do was make sure that the caster legs didn't like move back and forth on my carpet. Granted, it's a very slim chance, but I also wanted to make sure that the legs look uniform, because often with casters, like they'll move a certain way, and so with my attention to detail, that really annoyed me. And so what I wanted to do was kind of swap out the legs in lieu of having like really nice legs on them. And so I've done that. My husband actually swapped them out. What I would recommend though is when you decide to get the legs, I would recommend getting the one with the square plate instead of the ones that are like this, where you've got like basically an L-shaped leg, because what's going to happen is that you're going to basically have to align it so that it kind of fits in between, just like that. And for some, you guys might like that, but for others like me, I just didn't like the way that this was sitting flush to the cabinet. That's just my reasoning, but I like the way where like the regular like just tapered legs actually are inset from away from the front, just because I think there's less of a chance of me stubbing my bare foot on this thing versus on the tapered legs. So I would highly recommend doing it only if you have emptied your cabinets. Just make sure you empty your cabinets, and then what my husband did, this is probably unsafe, but he placed it on top of another Alex cabinet with the casters on, and then just transferred it out that way. But overall, I think that the legs that I have are amazing. Now, if you guys have any questions on this, feel free to leave me a comment below, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like in real life, because I've seen photos of it, and so I wanted to give you guys just a quick like video and show you guys what it could look like. I mean, the installation process is pretty easy, but I wanted to share with you guys what it could look like. And I'm going to get out of the way here so you can see like all three cabinets. I mean, it's pretty amazing. It's really, really stable, so I don't see any problems there. And by the way, I also do a room tour that kind of walks through how I label the space, including also where I get these like very, if you guys haven't seen my room tour, I talk about how I organize my space, including labeling each of these Alex cabinets, which is kind of ridiculous, but just check that out and get some tips on how to organize your craft space. But overall, would highly recommend these legs because they are the bee's knees. So leave a comment below if you guys have any questions. Thanks guys, bye!